Ay may papanooring sikat na eksena from a movie, pero walang sound. Okay, ang challenge, kailangan nilang gawa ng sarili nilang kwento at dialogue sa eksena, parang nagda-dubbing.
Tama ka dyan. At ang winning pair will be chosen through classic judging system na subok na ng lahat ang palakpakan system.
Palakpak dyan! Palakpak!
Bagong-bago yan. Kaya ang pair na may pinakamalakas sa palakpak, yun ang magiging panalo. Okay? Tandaan nyo na yan. At saka kailangan, i-like nila yung kwenta tayo. Sige na, game na!
Game na talaga.
Sino maglalaro?
Eto na. Ang una nating movie ay of course maging Sino Ka Man starring Robin Padilla. Eto na, and Megastar. First pair, maging Sino Ka Man starring James and Devon.
Yes, light, camera, action!
Ayan, guys. You know what to do. Video play. Ayan. Can you see it? Can you see it? Ayan. Alright, here we go. James and Devon.
Oh, mag-act na kayo dyan, Daidong. Go.
Dub.
Mga pipi, mga pipi.
James, you be the guy, ha?
I have something
Devon,
to
be the
tell
guy.
you.
Ano yun?
Look at me. Show me your eyes.
Ayoko, mambobola ka eh.
Why can't you look at me?
Tumingin ka daw sa kanya.
I've waited so long to tell you this.
Hindi ko kaya.
Yeah! Thank you very much, James and Devon. Okay, okay. Marami, daming nangyari ko.
Sino ba yung next pair natin?
Well, next pair natin, let's all welcome Brett and Fritzy! Okay, guys. You know what to do. Lights, camera, action.
Action.
Fritzy, I can't take my eyes off you. Fritzy, there's only words I want to say. Mahal na mahal kita. Walang iba. Wala.
Ganun ba? Bilang kaibigan
4
ba?
seconds pa.
Sagutin mo na. Oo na.
Out of time!
Brett and Fritzy for the win. All right.
Yes, let's
Eris.
call on our next pair, si Trisha and Ivan!
Come on, guys. Let's go, let's go. Hello. Okay.
Okay.
You know what to do.
Lights, camera, action!
Ay, nahulog. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, kung gusto mo.
Kasing ganda ko ba yan?
Ay, ang lamig ang hands mo.
Ay, mas madumi. Pasensya ka na.
Anong meron dyan? Ano yun?
Secret?
Sige nga. Gusto mo sa akin.
Secret! Hindi pwede.
Sige nga.
Secret
Ay,
niya. Huwag mo
ano?
hawakan yung kamay ko.
Oh.
Secret yung parents ko! Straight!
Ang bango!
Thank you very much, guys. Move on to the side muna.
So, Sam, tapos na silang mag-acting and everything. Ito naman, time na para mag-judge.
Kayo
Sige.
ang magja-judge.
Sige,
Tawagin
dito.
natin ulit sila. Okay. Dito ako, Eris. Okay. Here we go. Let's start off. Palakpak kayo kung sino favorite niya. Let's start off with Brett and Fritzy. All right. Second pair, James and Devon.
Yes, at hindi magpapahuli si Trisha and Ivan.
It's pretty cool.
Obvious naman, di ba? Dito kayo.
Our winners, Trisha and Ivan. Magbabalik ang more fun and games dito lang sa Shout Out!